Welcome everyone to the third lecture of Business English about the stock exchange. The lecture content includes an overview of the stock exchange, its functions, and some of the global indexes. Let's start with an overview of the stock exchange, which is an organized marketplace licensed by a relevant regulatory body where ownership stakes shares in companies are listed and traded. Listing happens in the so-called primary market, where a portion of companies' shares are made available to the public. The company often uses the listing to raise funds through issuing new equity shares, an initial public offering or IPO. Investors can then buy and sell these listed shares in the so-called secondary market. The stock exchange have great importance given their multiple functions in serving the economy. The services include the following. In the first, facilitate liquidity and marketability of outstanding debt and equity instruments. Second, to provide instant valuation of securities caused by changes in internal environment. Third, facilitate measurement of cost of capital and rate of returns of economic entities at micro level. Fourth, to induce companies to improve performance since market price at stock exchanges reflects the performance, so companies or corporates strive to improve their performance. I'll continue by the global financial markets, which have two types of indexes. General indexes that measure the market situation in general, and sector indexes that measure the market situation according to a particular sector, such as banking, industrial, agricultural, communications, and other sectors. In the following points, we address the most important international and regional indexes. We start by presenting the most famous US market indexes, then the European market indexes. Dow Jones is a major index that consists of four sub-indexes, and the most famous of which is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The value of the index is calculated based on the stocks of the 30 largest industrial companies in the United States of America. Standard & Poor's 500. It comprises the stock of the leading 500 companies in several areas, including manufacturing, transportation, utilities, money, banking, insurance, technology, and services. These companies represent approximately 80% of the market value of shares traded on the New York Stock Exchange. Nasdaq is the largest among all US indexes. It contains the stock of 3,200 companies, mostly technological. Financial Times 100. This index includes the 100 most important UK company stocks in the London market, representing 70% of the total capital of registered companies. CAC 14. This index includes the stocks of the 40 most important French companies in Paris market. DAX. This index contains the stocks of the 30 most significant companies, representing 70% of the market value of the companies registered in Frankfurt market. At the end of the video, thanks for watching.